beautiful face.
Big
nice
back.
personality.
Man, I know what big back means. Big. Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with another reaction video. Today it's called Grilling episode 9.
My name's Liam Henry and I'm here.
Damn, it's a little man.
So I'll just back her up and put her in her place. What do you mean? I've never been on a first date like go sit down and boom bang and talk about certain things. Like, straight, soon as they see me, it's a mad thing. You know what I mean? Yeah, you see how I fight. Yeah.
Mad thing.
Ready. Come on,
dude.
baby,
I wonder if he mostly date like tall girls or women of his status. Not gonna lie, Cheyenne look bad, bro. She look bad, man. I always weird.
Hi.
Let me say beautiful, okay?
I'm good, thank you. What's your name?
My name's Aidan Henry. How are you?
Aiden.
Cheyenne, nice to meet you.
Do this.
Oh my god.
This dude look right by there, though. I'm not gonna lie.
Shy?
A little bit.
No, don't need to be shy.
And his foot even
Wasn't
can't.
expecting him to be shy, you know. Today I'm going to be
His
rating
foot
you out of
can't
10
even touch
on
the
how good
ground.
date
Listen,
goes.
I'm not gonna
I
even
just
go
kinda
off with
find,
height.
like, men just waste my time,
This dude look
tell
ripped,
lies,
bruh.
tell
So
the
I'm
truth,
gonna
and look
listen
at
to what
man.
you have to say.
Definitely a man.
Yeah?
I've been a man from a young age.
What makes you a man from a young age?
Responsibilities, like know right from wrong. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Emotional intelligence. So where are you from?
I'm originally from Rugby, but I moved to Coventry because I was on a mad case, but I've been there ever since.
What do you do?
Professional boxer.
Your arms are nice and ripped.
Wait, really?
Do you feel like a big man because you fight for a living?
I'm a big man in this.
Dude, she'd actually using
nothing.
some short joke, bruh.
Thank you very
So
much.
should we
for
do a
that.
cheer?
So it's actually a boxer.
Cheers to the next
Wait,
one.
wait. Listen, bruh. I'll share after.
Maybe if the date goes.
Does he fight like normal size people or I don't know, bro. I don't know how this boxing thing goes with the height and the weight difference. So
Well,
I don't know if
might see
that
me
would
there.
be
So I like that
legal
compliment you got
or what.
there. Can you bring it to me?
Forget about the day. We'll see what happens.
What happened?
You tell me if I'm confident.
What do you do for fun?
Obviously, I like riding motorbikes, fast cars.
Oh,
Too wild then.
Yeah.
you know what he's saying, bro. I am a cyclist myself. I ride motorbikes. I love riding motorcycles. Pretty adrenaline rush when you're riding motorcycles. So big up to that.
Rather in the bedroom.
Gotta big him up on that one.
Yeah.
You know, so my thing strong, you know.
Damn.
What?
What?
Really?
Wait.
3 legs.
I don't know, bro. The power is strong in this one. The
Like a little
power
guy
of the
got big
power
dick energy. Yeah?
strong in this one.
Right. Why do
Okay.
you think I got so much confidence? Because no girl can say nothing to me.
See, man, I'll show off him
Making quite
dimples.
shy.
Yeah, I'm shy because you're a beautiful, attractive woman and you try to stick it on me and I'm just like,
Listen, when you sit in that hot seat, you have to take a grilling. Can't be going shy on me. So would you say you're romantic?
Yo, I like how it actually
asking me so much mad questions,
putting on
sticking it on me like,
the
yo,
compliment on her.
crazy.
And
You
she
got
actually
anyone on the
loving this
line
shit, bro.
Trailer load.
Sorry.
A trailer load means a whole heap of girls.
So you're
Oh!
dating
Trailer load that girl. I don't think that sang that game. No, it's a dancer artist. I don't remember who, but
multiple women.
No, I'm not dating a lot of women.
Yeah,
I wonder if
I'm
I've been a
sex with
man.
multiple women.
I'm not in a relationship.
I just want to know
I'm
how you
single.
move though. You listen, you're single. You
Yeah,
can do.
but if I liked you, I'll lock off everything.
Would you do that? if you liked me?
Yeah, of course I would. I want to do
really?
Have you ever cheated?
that. Yeah, once. when I was-
Once.
when
I like
was
how
young,
he's
so
actually
I was
honest.
so-
He's
I
just
want
telling
to
it
be
as it
there,
goes,
it's not
man.
nice. It's not a nice feeling, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, it's not
Like,
nice.
you live and you learn, innit?
I like that.
Learn from my mistakes.
When was the last time you had sex?
3 days ago.
3 days.
ago.
Do you have sex a lot? You do, didn't you?
Yeah. Got too much energy, man.
You know me, I press
Man,
gas,
haven't got too much energy.
Stallion.
Dude, look
Is it
at
like
this
with the same
nigga's ripped,
person, or do
bruh.
you just
He wanna
have different
release
girls
that short
for a different
energy.
day of the week?
No.
You sure?
It depends on it.
Depends on
How I feel.
how are you feeling now.
I'm feeling very shy.
That's all right. I don't.
Yeah, you
fight,
can
though.
see, cause he's not really
You're just attractive in it and you just stick it up, but like, you should be talking like this.
looking at her in the eyes. He's not really looking at.
I'm
I
not
don't.
gonna
You know
lie, I
what?
thought he was gonna come out and be a bit just like cocksure. But he seems
Because
really
what
humble.
what
So if
she
you want a
have
submissive
in
woman
front of
that
her
asks
is like
nothing,
not trying to
just
look
there.
like look down.
Yeah.
Cause
How
she's
sweet,
wait.
Do you find it?
Cheyenne herself said she sometimes wears things to distract the guests and see if they're actually looking. What she's wearing right now could be
hard to
classified
get
as a
women, 'cause I know
distraction.
that's when
Bruh.
it can be shallow.
Seriously.
No, 'cause I've got confidence in it. Like, you know me, I'm usually the person that sticks it under in it. But you're sticking it at me now, so I'm in my little shell like, What am I gonna do?
Go on.
Damn.
Why don't you stick it on me then? I'll stay quiet. Stick it on me.
You
sure? I thought you were confident.
I am. You mashed up the whole thing right now.
Have I?
Yeah.
That's how I have to, you
Tough in the
know.
ring, but not tough in front of a woman.
Ooh. So
What's it like being a parent?
I'm wondering if the girls that
different,
he's
innit?
been
I've always
with,
wanted to become
if
like
they are
a
actually on Cheyenne level, like looks wise, because if he's used to like
for that mad life. But
beautiful woman,
I'm a good dad to my
Cheyenne
child,
wouldn't make him
That's good.
intimidated, or probably because of the cameras. I don't know. I don't know which one of them.
Oh. I don't know what it is about men that are fathers, but it makes them more attractive when they're
Oh,
actually
you got a
present in the
kid.
kid's life. Do you think fatherhood has changed you in any way?
Wow, that's
Obviously,
crazy.
everything in life is like what
Look at me, don't even have any, and this guy.
It's not for me no more. It's like,
I don't know how old he is, but
I've got to think about my daughter, think about what she needs, think about her future, you know what I'm saying?
Have you ever suffered with mental health?
Yeah, stress, depressed, all of that.
Yeah,
I
like
think most
anxiety, when you
people
can't leave the house, and-
suffer from some
You never
level
had
of
that?
depression or some
don't. I
level
get
of mental
anxiety
illness
bad.
Yeah,
throughout their
some people can't leave the
lives,
house.
Oh, bless you.
and they probably don't even realize it.
For real?
Yeah, we all go through things.
Can't leave the yard.
Yeah, that's
Just
been
call
times.
Likkleman, man. I'll wake you up, man. I'll make you feel better.
How would you make me feel better?
Win some jokes, yeah, give you some banter.
Banter, good.
Wait,
Make you smile,
banter.
innit, make you laugh. Not
Is
diagnosed or
banter
anything,
laughing? I
so
always
don't
hear
make
the
me
word
laugh.
banter.
I reckon so.
Even when I watch
Yeah,
some
but just
series,
'cause
like British series,
You're not
I always hear they
diagnosed
talking
with
about
anything,
banter.
have
Is
you
that
ever
like
got, depression,
a
Yeah.
type of
like
vibes
suicide
or
anything like that?
Saying it,
joking,
maybe, yeah,
they
suicide,
talking,
innit?
or what is that?
Yeah.
Banter. What is
Yeah,
that?
I said it a couple of times. I with myself.
Another every
Really?
country have their
Never, I don't-
own
I never do that.
lingo and
How
stuff
do you
like
deal
that.
with like getting out of that kind of mental state?
Just gotta be around good people. You know what I mean?
It's important,
And
isn't it?
bird, they call
Have you ever had like
females
a
bird, right?
complex being like
Bird.
a shorter guy?
I'm a bit
Let me
aggy,
know in the
you know?
Oh
comment
yeah, so
section.
it's like little man
Yeah.
syndrome. That's the
Yeah.
thing.
But that's through what I've been through, innit?
So it's not through your height. It's just genuine through your life
Yeah,
experience.
yeah, yeah. Obviously, people always look at me, innit? And I look at them like, what are you looking at? And they just look down. That's it. If you see a normal size person,
Oh my
see a
god.
small person, like, following the person.
Does it affect you?
Not anymore.
Yo, that shit is
Not
funny.
anymore. So it did at one
Nah,
point.
yeah, of course. I used to get annoyed. I was supposed to beat up people, innit? But
Yeah.
Yeah,
Going out there, like I said, I'm
that would
a
actually
small guy,
annoy you
big,
if
so
you're
I'm
like
You know who you are as a person.
Yeah, yeah.
So now it's
a
like
small
no,
person
do you know
and
what?
people
You
making
need to
joke
give
of it.
yourself more credit.
You know,
It
you
would
know,
really
do it now,
piss you
the
off.
kids.
We're like, dude, what
Yeah.
the fuck you looking at, bitch?
How old are you? I laugh though.
How do you respond to children doing it? Because you can't.
No, of
tell
course,
them.
I tell them myself, I'm not your dad, but I'm the small. They're like, no. You know what I'm saying? Yes.
How do you like educate people? Because what's the correct term?
Achondroplasia, that's the proper name for it.
Okay, educate me.
What do you want to know about it?
What do they call
No,
it?
I
Small
just feel like
person
I
or
don't
little
understand,
person?
like an arse,
Because
but
back
I'm
in the
really
day, they
ignorant
used to
to
call
it,
it midget,
because for me,
but
like, you're
I think that is
the first person I've met that.
discrimination or
What's the
something
tallest
like
you've
that.
dated?
Normal size.
Normal size. But I mean, like, have you ever dated
never-
like
no
a woman
way.
that's like 6 foot?
I've never been with a small person.
Really?
Since I've
Oh.
been famous, I've only been
So-
with little people. But before that, before I come out of jail and I was famous, I've never been around small people. I've been around grown people all my life. That's why I got so,
So,
much confidence. And, you know what I mean?
That
I'm just
means
normal. That's why
he
everyone
answered my
sees
question
me,
because
they
I was
come at
wondering
it,
if
I
he
don't see the come out as a small person,
been
I see him as
smashing
a
like
person,
normal
how he carries
females,
himself.
normal
You know what I mean?
size.
But
So
when
I'm
I see little
guessing
bitches, I'm looking at them like.
that's
it's
what he's been
backwards,
smashing.
yeah,
Probably
sometimes, innit? It makes me
his
feel a bit
kid
weird.
mom
Yeah.
is actually a
So
normal
I'm not used to
size.
it. I've never seen them, innit? When I see
Female.
them, they're good, man. But they don't have enough confidence as how I do. But that's just their minute.
Yeah, everyone's on their own journey.
Yeah.
And I say you got a lot of confidence. More than likely, you have to go over
What's your body
hurdle
count?
as
Yeah,
he's
but
a small
how many- as
person
you say
and
it,
you
so I
have
feel
to
like you're gonna
Give me a
break
number.
the barrier.
Well, don't give me. I don't know how many people you
Just
said
ring
with.
off some numbers, innit?
Yo, and the next thing too, sometimes when I hear his voice, like, you can't hear the British accent, right? But some of the phrases that he's using, yo, give me a number. That's sound like, oh, most like Jamaican man speak. Yo, give me a number. Like, you can't hear the raw born Jamaican patois dialect, different from his British accent. So, I don't know, but it's kind of,
50?
Right.
100?
that's a Jamaican
What's
man.
the
Yo,
more?
give me a number, Nabi.
More. You're active.
I'm 27, man.
200.
Oh, I'm at 27.
27, man. I was shagging when I was 13.
And you're single.
Now I am, yeah.
Dude, seriously, I don't know
Come on, man, I'm
why
27, man. I was
some of
shagging when I was
these
13, man. It's at the number
foreign
of
countries, like
You're
especially like
pretty
the
rich,
USA,
Like,
Canada
everyone's got their own
and
age,
British
they get
and
to when they
Europe.
start saying, yo,
Why
I'm
everybody
not
looks
sure
so
enough, innit? I was
old
in jail,
when
got
they're
jailed
so
4 years
young?
when I was 2017.
I never get it. I don't know if it's the
2019.
food you guys eat
Obviously,
or what,
I come
but
out
damn,
famous, so
you guys look old as
before,
hell.
if I didn't
I'm
come
not
out
talking
famous,
about
I'll probably be
him
back in jail.
overall. I'm just talking about
You know
in
what I
general.
mean?
When I
Because
see
I've
a
got
lot
nothing
of
to come out for.
people
You know what
from
I
the
mean? So
UK
I've
and
come
England and
out,
America,
got
especially
famous, and
America,
obviously,
they're
I thought
so
to myself,
young, but they
I've
look
got
old
opportunities
as
to change my
hell.
life right now.
They
So
put
why
me
would
to
I
shame.
go do my silly stuff I used to do before to put myself back in there? It don't make sense, you know what I mean? So let me just give this a shot and see how it goes in life, innit? And right now, this is the longest I've stayed out of jail in my whole life.
That's amazing.
You know what I mean? I've done 10 years behind the door, or not all
I
together.
wonder.
But
I feel like he's gonna
Back
actually
and
get
forth,
a
it was about 10 years behind the
very
door,
high
you know what I'm saying?
score, not because
Obviously, don't
he's
get twisted, I
short,
won't tell anyone to
but
go to
because
school or
he's
follow me or
actually
follow
like
anyone
chilled
who's doing anything. Stay on the right
and
path,
thus
go get a job.
answering the
Like
questions
me,
true
do
and
something
thus
successful, innit?
I
real.
like that.
To
Cheers
me,
to that.
Cheers to that.
I like your mentality.
that's what I'm
Oi,
saying,
this guy's
bruh.
got substance, you know. There's definitely more than he's letting on. What do you look for in a woman?
Coca-Cola bottle, big back,
Ah,
and beautiful face.
big
nice
back.
personality,
Man, I know what big back
beautiful
mean.
teeth,
Big ass, bruh.
got a beautiful smile.
It's very kind of you. You have really nice eyes.
Thank you very much.
Have you looked at my boobs whilst I've been here?
Oh,
You got them out in it, so
dude, I knew it, bruh. She said it. What I said earlier, I said she probably gonna wear that to see if they're gonna look. She answered the question.
you want
You got it out, I just think
want
it
everyone
just-
to see them in it, because if it wasn't,
Yeah,
it
she
Shall we
she
zip
did
it
it on
up?
purpose,
nah,
bruh.
just leave it like how it is, innit? But I'll put it down, innit? It's just there, innit? You know what I mean?
What got you into fighting?
She did it on
I come
purpose.
from a crazy background, and I've always been fighting from a young age. So
I wanna hear his
when I was a
background,
bit-
like,
a
where
bit
did he-
aggressive and 'cause I
like,
didn't have
where,
a
like, his
father
family
figure,
came from.
I was a bit like, so
Yeah.
everyone used to say, because I'm aggressive, like, why don't you just put my aggressive into
And the next
something
thing too,
useful? So I started doing
where
boxing,
if
and obviously I've done successful
can a
through the boxing.
normal
Keeps me
couple
strong,
of
fit, healthy,
short
and I'm ready for anything what comes in my way. You know what I'm saying?
person
Oh, when I was
born
young, I
a
always
birth
had
a
someone
short
say,
person,
you
or
can't
it's
do that,
just
you can't do this, you can't do
or
this.
like
So I'm
a
a prover. I'll
sickness.
prove my point, I
So
can do
you
it.
can be
If I
born
can
from
do
a
it,
normal
anyone can
sized
do it.
person
You know what
and
I mean?
then
Do women like
become
fetishizing?
short.
I've had some crazy women, yeah. You know what it is? Women are very curious about how big my penis is, isn't it?
Yeah, I am curious.
I'll tell you, it's I like to lie. Got a big thing, innit?
Is it big though, or just like it looks big because you're shorter?
It's big, innit?
It's big.
Man hit the spot, innit?
Okay.
You know that wall?
Oh my god.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I actually really want to know how big his dick is.
You don't get a lot of small people, so they're curious about
Okay.
what do you reckon, how do you reckon his dick would be?
Dude,
Big,
Cheyenne
small,
want to
long,
see it,
bendy,
bruh.
sideways. But little didn't they know, man's got the tripod like the camera, you know what I'm saying?
Damn, this nigga is funny as hell.
Big and strong.
This nigga is funny, bruh.
What advice would you give your younger
But
self?
Cheyenne want to
Don't
see
follow
that
people,
deep.
don't get drawn in, and just keep it humble and just be yourself, and don't be shy.
Man, I
to
gotta
say no.
start doing some exercise,
Well, that's
man.
what
I
it
gotta
is.
get
Like, when I was
my
growing
muscles up. My
obviously,
muscles are
this
small
girl-
right now,
this
bro.
person
Like,
got
seriously.
mad shit to be.
Gotta get my
he had me,
shit
like,
up.
wrapped around my finger in it. It was crazy.
Gotta get my
Like, anything he said,
shit,
jump, I said,
boy.
"Alright."
Yeah.
'Cause I was scared to say no. Like, I don't know, it was just weird. I don't know how I got to that situation, but it was just mad. Like, he used to make me go shop, I didn't want to go shop, he makes me go do this, do things I didn't want to do. It was mad.
Yeah.
But I know other kids out there in that situation as well, so don't feel afraid to say no.
Yeah,
What
this
would
guy
you
is
say
cool,
is your
man. I
biggest
like how he's
favourite?
actually explaining
Taking
his
people's
whole
things I shouldn't
situation and giving us a
Like, taking someone's
calm,
home, taking their
coherent
stuff.
answer
That's
without
not me in it, like, I'd never
without
do that
being
right now,
like
you know what I'm
corny.
saying?
And
Like,
he's
I done it because my mum
making
had
some
given me money.
jokes
I had to
without
do it to
being
wear nice
over
clothes,
animated.
to fit in with my peoples, and it was just mad. But that's my biggest regret, like hurting people, making people come home and see their things, properties gone, because I would like that for myself. you know
That's
what I'm
true.
Hurt people though.
saying? Yeah.
Yeah, but it's nice to see though the way you've just like turned your life around, but also like you come with a message, because it's really easy to sit and
Yeah.
say this, but when like people can preach anything all
Yeah,
day
of
long,
course,
but
they trap their shit.
if you can't resonate with people, then people don't want to hear it. But I feel like your story, like it's you, that's your experience, and
Yeah.
it's happened.
Oh
Yeah.
my god, the password.
Can you let me have your phone passcode?
If me and you was together, and
Dude, this
I
guy's
actually
gotta
got
get
you
that
and
freaking
it
nice
was
score,
like
bro.
full
I'm
thing, you can go for
telling
it,
you
it's
from
not tired. If it was
the
just a
jump
little
right
thing that I
now,
was seeing a girl for a
the way he's
week,
answering
she
the
ain't gonna
question, he
have
seems
phone,
like a
go on
genuine
my phone for
person.
Yeah.
You know
Feel
what
like
I mean?
he's gonna get a
I
high
was with you
score.
consistently
First thing
for
Cheyenne
the
want to
whole
see
month.
that D,
Of
bro.
course,
Like,
obviously,
she
my
need to
girl
go on a
must be my
second
girl,
date.
innit?
Okay.
I must like you as a person.
Who do you play?
Booty play, what you on about?
What's your card?
Play a batty. Nah, Benji.
I say
No,
yes,
Reggie.
'cause I like
See,
a
I want
massage.
to know his
Don't get
background,
up, up
bro.
my batty.
Would you stick it
Cause
in
the way
mine?
he's
Yeah.
saying it
So
phrase,
yes
bro.
then. I don't know.
I said,
How
no
you
girl team thing.
Wait.
I've never sucked a toe in my life.
No?
You know
I
what
ain't got a
British
problem
people
with
that
feet,
say
but
botchy, but he
no
said
feet well in my
batty.
mouth.
Like the real
that's
shit,
I
you
must
know
have
what I
your
mean?
foot, but I wouldn't.
That's all
I
right.
wouldn't sock it. I wouldn't say, yeah, look at that toe. Big toe. No chance.
No chance.
No.
Yo,
I
this
paid
nigga
for
is
the
funny. Dude, that's what I'm saying, bro. This dude
Would
is
you be
funny, man, but he's
prepared to
not
be a
corny funny.
stay-at-home father
Chill
and let
funny.
me be the breadwinner, so you can cook. You stay at home and cook, clean, raise the kids.
That's the female's job. You're the mother.
Oh,
I'm the
you
man.
can't say it's the female's job.
Of course it is. I'm the man who brings the money to the table. So I've got to go out there
Oh,
and graft.
she
When I
don't like
come home,
that.
my
She ain't
food
like
on the
that part, bro.
table. You understand?
So you want to
Dude,
be the breadwinner?
see what I'm
Yeah.
saying, bro?
What if I
Dude,
want to be the one that goes out?
I hope he actually
No,
mentioned
no.
his
No.
background, like who
It's
is,
the 21st
where his
century.
parents
Women,
from.
we are securing the bag now. You can be the stay-at-home husband.
If I had
Listen,
kids, it wouldn't be like
which
that.
woman
Because
want to
you'd look
stay
after
on
the
her
kids.
own
Okay, so you're
husband?
alpha.
That's weird
Yeah,
as
of course I'm
hell.
alpha, I'm a lion. See it now?
Lion, yeah?
Chest now.
Okay.
Oh, say
Right,
that.
isn't it?
Of
Oh.
course. I rip for you.
No, I
For
forgot that
me,
Shane is
yeah?
actually Jamaican too, or her parents Jamaican. So I feel like this dude is actually
Well, okay.
I don't know, man. I feel like
Jamaican.
men
I'm
usually
getting
have
Shout out
strong
men, you know what it is? But
Jamaican
what about my
lineage
body
from
type?
him for some reason.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yes, this is what I'm saying. Finally, a man that comes with the same energy.
One rule for one, rule for another. It don't make sense. If you ain't beating none of my brethren, yeah, I don't give a No,
gonna
because I
say,
think it's the image thing, that's why.
do you think-
She shot a bare man, so what? What's that mean? Every, like, you bare pussy.
Yes.
know what I mean?
I like this. Do you think that, like, since having a daughter...
Dude, I feel like this
your
guy's gonna get
mindset's
that
changed
9,
how you
bro.
treat
He's
women?
gonna get that 9,
That
probably
was
the top
mad.
score.
My relationship was a bit crazy, like, they're arguing that was what I used to have when I was a young kid, and now I've got it now with my daughter. I have to cut that out. I'm not on that. Because imagine when my daughter grows up and she's heard it from home, so she goes to when she gets to her age, to her teenager age, she finds a boyfriend she likes, and next minute, mama tries to slap her.
Yeah, you
I'll,
have to set
I'll,
the
I'll
standards.
catch a M, you know what I'm saying?
Catch a M,
I'm not
dude.
thinking like that.
Murder
Baby girl,
case.
You can't be doing them things.
Murder case, dude.
Have 2 girls, 3 girls to f the shit out of me. Try
Really?
to anyway.
I think you might be a sub, you know.
What's a sub?
Submissive.
No.
Ooh.
Cute.
Yeah, but you know what I'm on about. Me and 3 gal, and let's go ham. Maybe more. I don't care. I'm not shy. I don't care. I'm not scared. I'll just manhandle everything. Listen,
Honest
I've
to
had
God,
threesomes, yeah,
it'd
with
be
men
interesting
don't
to
even get
see
involved 'cause they're laughing that
what
much.
this dude can,
Yeah, I'm
like,
just putting in the
I'm
work.
not saying I would
Big
wanna
man,
see anything,
I'm
but
going gangbangs with them.
I would like to
They
hear
sit
the
there
story, like
laughing,
if
they
Shane
sit
really
there,
goes through the
'cause my
situation,
bones-
that she can tell a story about it, because
Yo,
until you hear
when I
people
press
talking about
trigger,
them
blood, I'm
things,
telling
isn't
you,
it? You
it's
have to wonder
a
if I
vibe,
read it.
yeah? There's bare walk. They're baffled how I just get down in it. They're fascinated at the same time because my thing's big and they're like, they feel maybe a bit shy at the same time because my thing's probably bigger than theirs. You know what I'm
Okay.
saying? So when I'm putting shifting, they're like, well, they're laughing because we're boys, innit? You know what I mean? You know, trust me, my kids laugh. I've been on the Mazda. My brother's there laughing, bending up, and I'm back shotting the gal. Crazy.
How big can his dick
See
really
it?
be?
That's what I'm saying, bro. Cheyenne
Remember,
is,
I got
yo,
mad
dude.
energy, innit?
Cheyenne
So imagine me
probably
naked
want to
and
see
that
that
pussy in
thing
front of me.
at the end of the
What she
video.
gonna do to it?
Should probably bring him on to
You
the
get me?
back
You
to see what's
understand?
going on.
Okay.
All right.
Honest to God. Yo, I'm guessing she's probably
My head
thinking
game
about
10-10.
Really, is your mouth
that
getting strong?
situation the
Strong,
whole
yeah.
time.
Your head game 10-10 too.
It's all right. Humble.
I don't think my thing can fit in that mouth.
You imagining your
Open
dick in my
wide.
mouth?
Oh,
I'm just looking at you. Look,
dude, this nigga is something else, bro. Look at this nigga. Dude, I'm looking at sign language and everything. Look at this nigga, bro. Look what he's
My
doing.
head game
Look what
is
he's doing.
Really, is your mouth game strong?
Pre what's going
What the
on?
fuck?
See it? He's giving her the straight eye contact. Man says strong, yeah, fuck, straight eye contact. Look at Cheyenne now. Look at Cheyenne.
It's all right.
She's literally thinking about, She's thinking about the D and she's thinking about the head game.
Humble.
Look at the look, look at the look.
I don't think my thing can fit in that mouth.
You imagining your
Open
dick in my
wide.
mouth?
Damn. Look. This nigga. This nigga is not played, bruh. This nigga is not.
You definitely are.
Of course.
Looking
See
at
the
you with a full
sign.
mouth in it, I was thinking, it may fit in it.
Do you like a dominant woman? Would you let me dominate you?
What do you mean dominate me?
Yeah, would
What's
you?
that?
Like in the bedroom?
I'm me in charge.
Really?
Me in charge, I want you.
Shy can definitely not dominate me. I'm the dominator.
I'd love to see him try to dominate me. What would you do if
Give the nigga a
I
chance
slept
then.
with two
Simple.
of your friends in the past?
Give this nigga a
staying with me?
chance.
I'll probably press gas on you and cut.
Really? Can't you just look off your friends for me?
Nah.
Why?
'Cause
I'm the one though.
Is it?
Yeah. If I was the one and I'd slept with 2 of your friends, would you lock them off? For the love of your life?
Nah, I don't think
No.
so, bro. No way, bro. No way.
They're the ones who
No way, bro.
anything from me, innit?
Like, listen, no one rides harder than a woman
You
in
see,
love.
if it is a stranger,
me.
I wouldn't give a fuck, bro.
No.
But friends,
No.
I don't think so,
What
man.
would you do if I wanted to start?
That memories would stick to you more than
No.
a stranger. Okay, you don't
No,
know
I
a
can't
stranger. You
have
don't give a fuck about a stranger,
Why?
dog. But your friends,
Mine, innit?
that's
Really?
a weird
So
ass
it's not my
situation,
body, my
dog.
choice.
So why would you make money by selling your body?
Why not? It's an industry, it's a
drug-
profession.
That's a drugs thing. What's mine is mine, not for everyone else to see. You know what I'm saying? So whatever's in her underwear, in her back, in her front, in her up, top, bottom.
And I think she's
that's
gonna
mine.
like this
She wants to go do her thing and
situation,
put
bro,
herself out
because
there.
you know,
Go
Shine.
do it,
Shine's
that's
like
her,
almost
that's her,
not really a
that's her.
feminist, but
Not me.
she's all about
So no
the
to OnlyFans?
so-called equality.
No OnlyFans.
But I don't
But
understand
I
why
don't
it's
think
such an
she's
issue.
really
Yeah,
all
you got a
about
boyfriend, why
equality.
you
I think
selling your
she's
body?
all about.
It's an industry, isn't it?
Don't matter. If you want to go
What's your colour again?
Be single, innit?
Why? Do you think it would affect your ego?
No,
Other
it's not
people
like the
looking
man.
at
It's
your
like, why is next man looking at my girl's things?
Because I'm making money.
It don't matter. Nah, Bridget. The girls lost their man.
What would you do if I wanted to involve other people in our sex life?
Other woman?
Alright, it's a bit weird.
Is it
I've never-
weird?
Yeah, 'cause I've never had it. But
Really? What if I was
it-
like, babe, I really want a threesome?
Yeah, well, if I liked you, I know that wouldn't happen.
No, no threesomes.
No. With your friend maybe, but no.
No, friends like the worst choice.
Not a man.
I feel like if you're gonna
What, you
do-
think a man?
But why would it be
Think my
mine?
bitch is coming for fuck out you? That's all.
So why is my friend okay? It'd have to be like a...
Nah, it's not gonna be a boy. It could be a gal, but not a man. I'd rather just knock it.
That's
on
what
the
I'm
man
saying,
and
bruh.
say,
No
nah,
man, dog.
you're just mine, and if you wanna have a threesome, be single, innit? Like, keep that out of me. No, because I've never had that.
It's kind of right though, but if you're gonna do that situation, try to do that. Somebody we don't even know, bro. Like somebody only far away, no
What would
contact.
you do
God,
if
that shit
your
can get out
friends
of
are
hand.
liking all my selfies?
I'll stick it on them.
Will you?
Yeah, of course I would. Why they're playing my girl's things?
Why not? Hype me.
Why I hype you?
So you wouldn't like it?
Why is my bird just looking at my girl's things for?
Support.
Support what?
For what?
Me.
Why?
No, darling.
No, don't you want to see me be great?
No, it's not
Wait,
true, that.
one like
Yeah,
is
but what's
one
your
like not
what's
gonna do
10-10?
anything, bro. One like not gonna do any
The
difference.
standard, listen, when you get with a girl
I know,
that's 10,
I know.
10,
That's
standard,
why.
everyone's gonna like
Yeah,
that
of
shit.
course. But I'm just saying, as my brethren knows, that's my thing. That's it. Don't look upon her. You can look upon her chapter or whatever and keep it neutral, but go with any five.
Yeah, like you said, that's kind of weird though. I'm not gonna lie.
Like, especially with my friend, but you're liking my girl's thing. So now me and you got a problem. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Although
Run, man.
Yeah, no
it all
problem.
depends
Yeah,
too,
can't
because
do them things.
I kind of
What would you do
acquaintances
if
that is females,
I didn't give
and
head?
I probably can like their
I'm
pics,
not really
but
a guy, innit?
Really? What's the mouth games like strong?
You can be strong, but I like to throw all my babies in your belly.
What would you do if I went to prison?
Of course, I could visit you.
Would you like sleep with other people though?
Depends how long you got.
2 years.
2 years is a very long time. 24 months.
I'd wait if I was in love.
It's a long time for someone not to get their thrill, mate. Let me tell you. You can
Yeah.
be the sexiest girl. You can be with the baddest man. It don't mean nothing. When a girl wants, mate, the girl's gonna get.
That's true, bro.
If I fuck my
That's
being
true.
with you, you're my kid's mom. Maybe, but.
Do you think social media has ruined love
Yeah,
and how
Of
people
course,
relate?
definitely.
Image.
Definitely, because
You see man with big
it's
chests,
easy
they're
to,
balling,
for people
they're
to
not
travel
balling,
and
mate,
get
it's their
females
next
all over the
chains
world,
or-
Do you ball
and
on Instagram?
for
I did.
females to
When
get
I come
men
out of prison,
more
my
than
sister
men,
texted the
more
children
than
and said, "Get this
yeah,
chain,
they have a better
get
chance
the
than men
shoes,
because they can
chain
actually
vanished." So basically, I was
travel
just to make their
all over the
Instagram
place
look
to
good,
get
you
do
get
them
me?
Take
thing.
it for the gram.
Yeah, fake it for the gram, but
So
I've
it's
had
crazy.
jewels, I've had my own shit, but jewels don't mean nothing to me no more.
Even
You know, I'm not
average
being
looking
there, don't
person, man, act like
I
they're
ain't
the
got my house yet,
shit,
so
like their
I'm
shit
not
is
happy.
hype. I'm
Yeah.
like, bitch, get the fuck out of here.
How do
So
you
because
think
they're
you've
getting the
done
look
on
like
dates?
they're it's
Shit.
swollen
Why?
to extraordinary levels.
That's why. I didn't even know what to expect. It was mad. It was just like, oh. My dimples, everything was coming out. It was like,
That's
Oh,
cute though.
thank you. You want to go for another date with no cameras? Let me know, innit?
oh, no cameras,
No, it was a
boy.
good date, you know. I'm surprised. I love a man with substance, so I underestimated him.
I'm not gonna lie, he's pretty
date
funny
was a
too.
bit
I'm not
mad.
gonna lie, he's cool,
Obviously,
chilled.
she stuck it on me.
I want to know
She
some more
got on me,
backstory
some
about
person
like
stick it
his
on me.
family lineage.
No, we took the grilling okay. A little shy.
Second date's on the card.
I feel like I needed him to just to be a little bit more alpha. I felt like I was dominating him a little too much.
What, too short?
Anything, man. I'll chat about anything. I don't care. But she stuck it on me, though. Don't get twisted. I was shy to fuck.
Well, at least
ticks
he
a lot of boxes,
admit
an
that he's
honest
actually
man,
shy,
someone that can
so-
open up, the fact that he's a good dad, and that he's humble. However, I just need the man just to dominate me that little bit more, you know.
Don't underestimate her, mate. Don't make that beautiful face fool you, mate.
Do you know what? I wouldn't say no to a second date. I feel if he can come through with the alpha energy, maybe.
I reckon I got.
Oh my God, what's she gonna get? 6 or 7? I feel like he's gonna get an 8.
I don't care.
I'm gonna give him a 7.5.
Ooh, get a 7.5? I thought I was gonna get a 9, but probably true. You never showed alpha energy. But anyway, guys, any relation video.